what's going on? Super excited for this video. If you are new to my channel, welcome to my channel. I'm a cosmetic chemist specializing in natural hair care, and I teach you guys how to understand ingredients and products in your hair from a cosmetic chemist perspective. And I also offer consultations for those who want to start hair care lines as well. And today we are talking about how to use sulfur for hair growth the right way. And when we're talking about what is sulfur, how does it work, and how to implement it into your hair care regimen for longer hair, healthier hair, and increased volume as well. Okay, stay tuned. So what exactly is sulfur? So it is an organic compound that is found in the Earth's crust, in volcanoes, in the ocean. Now there's another part of sulfur called sublime sulfur. This is taking natural sulfur, heating it up to high temperatures to remove any impurities. And sublime sulfur is what we use for like cosmetic purposes, for topical reasons, and that is what you're really using when it comes to enhancing the growth or the condition of your hair. And what makes it so interesting is that sulfur is naturally in our hair as well. So our hair is made up of different amino acids, and one of the key amino acids is called cysteine. Cysteine helps with the strength of our hair and also helps to determine the pattern, the curl pattern of our hair as well. Now, unfortunately, when our hair experiences trauma such as damage or combing it too often or too hard or being too rough with your hair, hygrofatigue, all of these things represent trauma to the hair. And when there is trauma to the hair, these amino acids can be hindered. These key components that make up the strength and the health of our hair can be compromised. So this is where sulfur comes into play to kind of help to restore that. So let's talk about some options that you have to implement this into your regimen. Okay, so the first way to implement sulfur into your hair care regimen is to do some type of topical application. And usually this will be in the form of an oil or a grease. Now, if you want to do an oil, I do recommend the Ethnic Gals Miracle Hair Growth Oil. This is something that has sulfur within it, and I believe this is a 5-star product as well on their website. And this oil will be great for really that direct application to the follicle, to the scalp. And you guys have heard me talk about this brand before on my channel. They actually have a Black Friday code for you guys, 25% off of anything on their website using the code Black Friday. So definitely check this out if you want to implement sulfur in an oil form into your hair care regimen. The second option would be to look into Sulfur 8. This is something that's been around for a very long time. You can find out tons of information and reviews about it online, but this is going to be in a hair grease form. So if you don't mind the extra thickness on the scalp, this would be a great option as well. Okay, so the second way to implement sulfur into your hair care regimen is with Methylsulfonylmethane, aka MSM. Now this is going to be a dietary supplement that you'll take once a day. I've seen recommended dosages of 3 grams per day. What makes this so great is that number one, it absorbs pretty fast within the body. So it's going to get into the system very fast. Usually it takes about 4 weeks to start seeing results, but what makes this so great is that it helps to strengthen the cysteine bonds within the hair. It is known for adding sulfur directly into the hair from the inside out, which can then help with length retention, volume, and just an overall healthy condition, healthier hair as a whole, okay? And the last way to incorporate sulfur into your regimen is in your diet. You can start eating foods that are high in sulfur, such as eggs, onions, garlic, fish, asparagus. These are things that you can start doing today to start getting a higher content of sulfur within your body. And it's gonna be great not only for your hair, but your nails as well, okay? So if I were you, why not implement all 3? Make the supplement a part of your vitamins, that you do on a daily basis. Do the diet change, start eating more foods high in sulfur, and then also implement the oil on your scalp. I mean, you're doing all the things to get the healthier hair, you know what I'm saying? So, yeah. All right, guys, hope you have enjoyed this video and learned something new. Please keep in mind that results will vary, so it just depends on your body and how well it responds to MSM. Everyone's results are different, but I definitely think it's worth checking out for sure. Be sure to follow me on Instagram at Charmy369 to stay connected with me on a daily basis. Be sure to subscribe. Notifications are on for this channel so you can stay in the loop for more curly chemistry content. And of course, I have a question for you as we are gearing towards a brand new year within a few weeks. Where did 2021 go? I don't even know. But as we are going into 2022, I'm already thinking about curly chemistry on a new year perspective, like what is going to take place with this channel and as a brand as a whole. So my question to you is, what do you want from me going into this new year? Are there certain topics that you want me to cover more on my channel? Are there certain videos you want me to do more on my channel? Is it certain digital content that you guys want more of? Is it a product that you guys want to see, you know, or want to have, or want from me, you know? Like, what do you want from me? Because you guys are my audience, you guys are my curl friends, okay? And I want to make sure that I'm always serving you guys. So comment below, let me know, what do you want to see more from me in 2022, okay? And I cannot wait to join the conversation with you. If you're interested in learning more about ingredients in the natural hair care industry, you can check out the Curly Girl's Guide to Hair Care Ingredients. It is an amazing ebook that I created just for you to give you guys a better understanding of what you are buying and what you are using on a daily basis. I have a link below for you to check out for more information. And if you're interested in starting a hair care line, no matter where you are on the journey, no matter where you are in the world, I have a link below for you as well with more information on how to sign up for a consultation with me. And if you guys have not got your Respect My Texture t-shirt, I still have them on my website. The promo code is RESPECT for 10% off. If you have already ordered your t-shirt, thank you guys so much. Please expect an email from me very soon with your tracking number. All right, guys, I love you, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.